If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that I did a video on using heat to restore the blackness to a plastic cowl on the front of my car here. So I wanted to do a follow-up today. If you guys are new to the channel and DIY car stuff is your thing, consider subscribing. All right, guys, I promised a follow-up video to the one where I tried to use heat to restore the little window cowl here. So I just wanted to follow up. Today is January 1st, 2023. I'm gonna be selling this car today. So luckily, when washing this thing, I remembered this is pretty dull again. So I just wanted to do what I said I would do and make a follow-up video. So that thing is definitely not permanent like they tried to tell me it would be. And a lot of you said it wouldn't be, so you were correct. So heat did restore it for a little while, probably for 6 months. It looked really good, and then it slowly started to fade back to how it is now. So yeah, definitely not permanent. So it seems like a much easier and more effective solution is to use some chemical products on it, or after many years, the easiest thing is just buy a new one. Well, not the easiest thing, because you got to replace it, but the best looking thing is just to buy a new one.